One wally pop, the people them love you know. Zozo, remember me tell you, the people them love you know. I'm love to see what you do.
Yeah, you're my top girl.
Yeah, my boss.
But go over there, go take her down right now.
Right now, I have your back. Take me down,
Right now. See what this a deal with that now. Yeah. See what I'm a deal with. Be a hide, she hide, you know. I just see him on the stretcher, so I ain't gone so fast. I just see him on the stretcher, so. I wish you run gone so fast. Where you deal with Wrangler? Yeah, man, take down the dog bed right now.
Who that?
The girl then call Shay. I want to run the file right now and take him down. Jesus Christ. I lock off your life, man. She lock off your life, man. Top girl, like she lock off the life, man. Come like she lock off the life, man, because I not see her again. I not see her again. I not see her again, man. I not get no name, man, mama. When I go drink his soup on the app, man, we go take him down peacefully, man. I'll catch him on the right time, man. I not get no name. I search for him a while ago on the time. I search for him. Dirty dog bed. Dirty low life. I don't know how TikTok make no pass through. How they go no forward. Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ. So then put up her stuff in that plate, so when she come out she go can get it. Cause they not all her feet. Cause they not all her feet. What I mean if she miss me sim? I think about me same way right now. Just like how I think about her. I know she think about me. I don't have to ask that, man. Them the days where me and him they enjoy ourselves and I easy ourselves. I know she have to remember them days. She have to remember I love when I give her. Remember she not blind to it, you know. Remember say if he did I go, he know what I do around me. So if you know things like she did I lose it when she went around me, she did know what she had do. You get what I say? So I know say yo, she never did that no tie way. Yeah man, she can't get married, man. When I sit down and look on her on screen record when she sing about me, I say God no. Mama love a wrangler for true, you know. Yeah man, mama love a wrangler. I look on something you I say yo, Jano. Yeah man, just believe man. And then I sitting there family and like you know say yo, your daughter rep for me so. Your daughter just a rep for me so I go along. And that they not like. And see them I get exposed here now. Then shame like a dog. Yeah man, just believe. Remember say no, you don't know what go on, you know. Remember say Brit been a move around town and I go on with the excitement, you know. Remember say no, as what I tell you, you know how Moby man them turn already. You know most people turn already. Several brothers, several different mind. Enough niggas out there right now. Then they pray me like say, yo, children see me and break the talk. That some of them vex. But I'm not responsible now, boy. Nah, no, girl. You see, pray? Remember saying that day, and I spend my food, nobody can tell me how to spend my food. And I know, boy and a girl give me food and tell me if say where you are, you know. I do it from my heart, you know. And I know so right now. Right now, if I went some other boy will Brit out there, then this Brit long time. Then this Brit long time. If I went some other youth out there right now, then we don't really the use Brit. I don't know game thing. Cause I see Brit one taxi and I see people that try go on like they want style the girl. Me and her go a bus stop and I still some people look on her. And I have to show some people say, yo, watch out man. Don't go on like you don't want style the girl. Don't go on like you don't want size up with the girl. We have to make people know themselves. I'm not gonna say wait, me have to put people in them place. And make them know say remember say somebody that too. So if she is not somebody to you guys, she is somebody to me. Just believe. Anyway in there, me have him back. Franny link me did there with him. Most of the people them around town where I said Brit this and Brit that. Yeah, everybody knows that Brit a good girl and all of them things there. But somehow no good none talk. I just talk not talk. Because as I say, somehow say a girl lose it and still a try take the girl money. Want to sell the girl a bag of drugs them. Want to sell the girl weed and want to. But I don't know how I want to move so. If you don't love a girl enough for the gay girl and thing there. What you most of the time in a chat, I don't want to get me no, I don't want to take me. I don't want to get me wrong still, you know. That's when she do come around me 1 and 2 times, then the only thing I can do, I try if you don't make you smoke the weed. I can't just take the weed from him so because then in the right space of mind. And I don't want him feel like say, oh, I don't love him. And I don't want him have nothing at all. Some of us try to make you know say, oh, babe, I don't want you smoke around me, no, babe. If you go to smoke down, I go leave. And anytime I tell them so I go left, in top smoke. So I don't just go grab the weed from him and all and then think they and go on like say yo. I just some people more understand say yo, my being that 100. So don't go on like you don't want to fuck up. Mr. What you are dealing with, you know? David, I know. Then say David, they shot me. I see what David I deal with. David, they in a live match. David, they in a live match. Yeah, man. I see David, they in a live match. I look who down so. See who down so. See who down so. Alright, you know, too much of them people are too much Indian and Chinese and and some of them not real, you see me? Some of them, I don't know what, I don't know how them company people are, but they reach a door. Yeah, man, I don't know how they reach, but they reach. Alright, Robert, alright, this is a dog that look like